Are you someone that wishes that they could get up and tell a story or do a presentation at work without feeling nervous about being on stage? Do you know more people are afraid of public speaking than spiders? And there's a lot of spiders in Australia, so that's a lot of people. Last weekend, I was invited by the Story Room to run a workshop on how to craft and deliver a story. And it was such a fun workshop to do. Apart from just the writing skills and the confidence skills, the speaking skills, was the connection that happened between the people in the room. It was beautiful to watch that when someone is sharing a story, it gives others the opportunity to step into their world, to step back and to listen. Because often in life, we're constantly wanting to butt in and we're silent, waiting to be heard, rather than silent and really genuinely listening. We're able to help you to structure a story, and whether that's a business story, a personal story, or a myth that you want to make up, we will be able to help you to embrace the story, to colour the story, to add your senses to the story. And the skills that you will learn, both writing and presenting, can be used in so many areas of life. Open, honest communication helps us in our relationships, both in our private and in our public life. So this coming weekend, we're doing it again on Saturday. If you're interested, send me a message or make a comment below and I'll send you all the details.